What's up guys, this is Russell, also known as Wix BMW, and we have the F80 M3 here in Austin yellow, and we're going to be installing yellow DRLs. Let me show you guys how it looks right now with the white headlights.
I just don't like going out there, honestly. It's just
So this is the F80 without the front bumper. Look at how it looks right now with the white headlights. Yellow DRL, it's gonna look so good.
I think that's where he accelerates a little more.
Modules. We went and grabbed some food. I got a breakfast burrito and some sweet potato fries, coffee. What you get?
got a little omelet here.
Damn, it looks fire. We got Danny a coffee and he's cooking right now. Look at him putting the modules in. Hell yeah, I'll show you guys the update when it's all completed. Alright guys, first reaction to seeing the yellow DRLs. What the? Damn, bro, that actually looks sick. Wow, dude. It's no longer like... All right, Danny is wrapping up the F80, guys. They're putting the bumper back on. Bumper's back on. Wow. Yeah, I love it, dude. Alright guys, this is the F80 M3 with the yellow DRLs. Look how cool and aggressive this looks with the Austin yellow. It looks insane, guys. Like, I absolutely love the profile on it. It looks so good, guys. We're about to hit the canyons right now on Stunt Road. If you guys are familiar, it's by Malibu. I'll get some POV shots and show you guys when we get up top. I'm so excited on driving this car. It feels like a brand new car now, guys. Let me know what you guys think about the yellow DRLs. Would you guys rock them on yours? It looks insane, yellow on yellow, just so aggressive, guys. GT3, guys. All right, we're gonna hit Stunt Road, guys, the canyons. Wow, that was a steep part. Hella steep, guys. The car's handling so well. I got brand new rear tires, so I feel planted hitting these corners. The car sounds so good. Woo! just to let you guys know, I'm doing this one-handed. Wow, dude. The F80 M3 is my favorite car to drive. Dual clutch transmission, S55, inline 6 twin turbo. So many nice cars, guys. Woo! Usually I would be doing the paddle shifters, but it's kind of hard doing it one-handed, so I put it on automatic mode. Guys, it sounds so good. Wow. You guys, this car always brings a smile to my face. I absolutely love driving that F80 M3. Wow. Woo-wee. Wow. Whoa, I don't know if you guys caught that, but there was literally a squirrel that just ran in front of my car. I hope I got that on film. But we're slowly approaching the top of Stunt. We have arrived, guys. We have arrived at the top of Stunt. Oh, we got people ripping it, but this car handles so well, guys. Made it top of Stunt. We have Malibu, the coastline over there. Just look how beautiful it looks, guys. Good vibes up here. All right, guys, we're mobbing it back the canyon, and for some reason my check engine light went off. I don't know why, but we're on our way to our homie Vile Motorsports, who helped install my exhaust system. He's gonna check the car out, see what's wrong with it. I'll keep you guys updated. But I'm checking here, it's nothing wrong. My exhaust is vibrating a little and everything is passing. So I don't know what could be wrong. I don't know if the DRLs affect my check engine light, but we'll see exactly. The car feels smooth, like I don't notice anything. But we'll see, guys. Beautiful day out here.